In this video, I will show you how to block screenshot on WhatsApp. First of all, go and open your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to block screenshot on your chat with him. So after I open the person, all I have to do just tap on this little icon beside the camera to upload your. So tap on this gallery. After you tap on this gallery, tap on this gallery again. Just go and choose a picture that you want to send. So as you can see now, as I just choose this picture or video, all you have to do just tap on this section. As you can see, this one, this little one icon. So this icon, just tap on it. So as you can see now, as I tap on it now, it says view once message gives you more privacy. When you send a photo, video or voice messages, it disappeared from the chat after it's open. For added privacy, the recipient can't share, forward, copy, save or take screenshot for it. So tap on this OK. So now if I tap on this send, so as you can see now, I send the picture now. Here is the picture now that I sent. As you can see, here is the picture. So now once the recipient open the pictures once, he can't open it again, so he can't take screenshot of the picture. That's it guys for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.